Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to insert a table in LibreOffice Writer. First open your document in LibreOffice Writer, then place the cursor where you want the table to appear, then go to the table and select Insert Table. You can also press Ctrl and F12 and it will show you this. You can name the table, let's say like you want to name it EX, and then you can select the columns and rows. Don't worry, you can change it later. And then you have other options, like for example like if you want to have alternating colors, just select the one that you like and then click Insert. Okay, and now you'll see it's a table, but we did not select enough rows, so we're going to right click here and then click Insert and then select rows below. Then if you want to add another one, you can. If you want to do above, you can do that too. Okay, same goes for column. Let's say like you want to add more column, go to the Insert and press columns after or before, whichever is easier for you. Okay, now if you want to delete a column or row, you can just select it and click like delete. Let's select column, so that one disappeared. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do split cells. Let's say like you want to split this cell into two, so click split cells and split cells into two. So if you do two, it will, like by default it is horizontal, it will do horizontal. See, like it's been horizontally divided. Okay, let's do this now. I can split cells vertically too. So let's do 3. Okay, see, here there are 3 cells vertically. So this is how you put insert table in LibreOffice Writer. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.